Happy morning to one and all. Today we discuss the topic money market instruments. So last classes we discussed about financial instruments. The financial instruments classified in two types. One is capital market instruments and second one is money market instruments. So last class we discussed about capital market instruments. Now you are discussing about money market instruments. In this topic we can learn what are the different types of money market instruments and some of the features of their instruments. Let us go the topic. The money market instruments are first one commercial papers, second one certificate of deposits, third one treasury bills, fourth one repo, and fifth one call money market. So let us discuss one by one. The first one is commercial papers. These are short-term instruments like promissory note with a fixed maturity period. They are mostly issued by leading, well-established and big companies having high credit rating. So commercial papers are nothing but it is a fixed maturity period like a promissory note. The commercial papers was come to in India and has been introduced by the Working Group Committee on Money Market in 1957. The features of commercial papers are: the first one, commercial papers can be issued by corporate bodies, whether financial or non-financial institutions. Second one, commercial papers are normally issued at a discounted and in large denominations. Third one, the issue of commercial papers should be for a minimum of 25 lakhs in multiple of 5 lakhs. And the last feature of the commercial papers is prior permission of Reserve Bank of India is required for the issue on commercial papers. This is the about of commercial papers. Let us move the next slide, that is certificate of deposits. Certificate deposits are short term payable on a fixed date and having short term maturity of not less than 3 months and not more than 1 year. The issuance of certificate of deposits is in multiple of 5 lakhs subject to a minimum of 25 lakhs. And reserve banks and scheduled corporate banks are not supported to issue certificate of deposits. Banks are not supported to issue certificate of deposits. Banks are not permitted to buy back their certificate of deposits before their maturity and the grant loans against their own. Certificate of deposits can be issued to individuals, corporations, companies, trust funds and NRS, non-resident of Indians. That is the topic about of certificate of deposits. Let us move the next slide, that is treasury bills. Treasury bills are properly known as T-bills issued by the government. These bills are highly liquid and these are backed by guarantee from the government. They are issued for 91 days, but now they are also 180 days and 64 days. And next one is repo. The repo are repurchase agreements used by the government security holder. When he or she sells the security to a lender and promise to repurchase from overnight. Hence, repos have been ranging from 1 night to 30 days. That is the topic repo. And last but not least is call money market. In India, the call money market represents the market for intra-bank lending and borrowing. The loans given in this market for a short-term nature. The maturity of these loans varies between 1 day and 2 weeks. They are usually unsecured. As these loans are payable within a short period, they are considered as a highly liquid, and rate of interest is very low and change from day to day. This is the topic called money market. So what is the difference between money market and capital market means? If the company wants to acquire large amount of money, the company go for a capital market. If the company wants a little money like 25 lakhs, even the company has little problems to maintain their working capital management, so in that purpose the company go for a money market instruments. This is the topic of money market instruments. Thank you.